Are you ready for your Festival Queen 2026? We welcome all the contestants back on stage. All of the Parish Festival Queens, please join us on stage as we get ready to announce our Miss Jamaica Festival Queen for 2026. All the contestants, give them a round of applause. I think they represented their parishes exceptionally well tonight. And one of the beautiful things about Festival Queen is that they will all continue to execute their projects in their parishes, and we're extremely proud of them. I also want to acknowledge the members of the National Festival Queen Committee who are here tonight. Thank you, committee members, for the hard work that you've put in. Thank you, ladies, and our top five. And so we begin with our third place contestant, our second runner-up, who will tonight walk away with $350,000 and a trophy to be presented by Dr. Kevin Blake, the Commissioner of Police, the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Dr. Blake? In third place tonight, from the parishes of Kingston and St. Andrew, Danielle Cox. Our third place winner tonight. Give her another round of applause. Danielle Cox, representing Kingston and St. Andrew. To our third place. And now it's time to announce our first runner-up. Second place tonight. She will take home $500,000 and a trophy to be presented by Mr. Omar Frith, chairman of the Chase Fund. Ladies and gentlemen, our second place winner and first runner-up comes to you from the parish of Manchester, Melissa Flinch. I also invite His Worship the Mayor, Councillor Andrew Swaby, who will be presenting a bouquet to our first runner-up. Congratulations to you, Melissa. And now, our Miss Jamaica Festival Queen for 2026. She will take home $800,000. I tell you, do you think you know who it is? I'll tell you something, this parish has not seen a winner in a long time. And when I say who, Gregor Fong is right now celebrating that Portland takes home the crown. Christina Williams is Miss Jamaica Festival Queen 2026. Juliet Holness, the Most Honorable Juliet Holness, Speaker of the House of Representatives, to present this beautiful bouquet to Christina Williams. I now invite our Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, the Honorable Olivia Babsy Grange, to present the trophy and her envelope for her cash prize of $800,000. Let's hear it one more time for Christina Williams. Thank you very much to all the contestants for being such great representatives. You were exceptional with your talent, with your poise, with your intelligence. You really were a remarkable group, and I'm honored to have shared tonight with you. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for coming out and supporting our parish queens. Thanks to our sponsors. We want to thank the JCDC for such an excellent production. Our festival queen for 2026, Christina Williams, representing the parish of Portland. Want to thank everybody who made tonight possible. Remember, tomorrow, Jamaica Gospel Song happens right here. And on Monday, it's Mellow-Go-Round. And I see Dr. Michael Holgate and Barbara McDaniel, so you can't miss the Grand Gala. Gospel Star is tomorrow. Karine, me an old time festival, that's why. But to let you know as well that the Independence Village is open every day. So you come on down here and visit the village. There's so much to see. Make sure you come on down, not just to the nightly programs, but to everything that is happening. Thank you so much for the folks who watched us live on TVJ, who tuned in to all of our partner media stations. Thank you so much to our judges. A job well done. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Delia Harris. Walk good.